Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports the NFC feature and that the target app is installed. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and do not waste time toggling settings. Open the app that will read or write the tag, or open Wallet for contactless passes. Hold the tag 12 cm from the top back of the iPhone. This is where the NFC antenna sits. If prompted, grant the app permission to use NFC so it can communicate. This avoids interruptions when you proceed. Once positioned correctly, tap the app's read or write button and keep the tag steady. You will usually wait 3 seconds. Short taps can fail, so hold still. For writing, pick the payload type, URL text or a smart poster, and confirm whether to lock the tag after writing. Lock only when final. Make sure to follow the app prompts. It may ask for a file name, TTL, or access code. If the app shows a checkmark, vibration, or success message, you have completed the middle steps correctly. To finish, validate the tag by reading it again or scanning with another iPhone. Make sure URLs open and text displays as expected. If it does not work, check that the tag type is compatible, that any powered accessory has battery, and that you held the tag over the correct spot on the iPhone. If problems persist, restart the app, review its NFC permission, or reboot the iPhone. These steps clear transient issues and often restore normal NFC behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.